So we're going to get started. This is going to explain what's going on with my new E60 M5. As you can see, the engine looks pristine. Things seem okay. When you get inside is when all hell breaks loose. We're going to go ahead and start it. Now when it first starts, everything seems okay. But you can see that it's claiming that there's no oil in it. It had an oil change yesterday. Immediate misfire. And then it shows up with this sign right here. Engine malfunction, power reduced, which is the equivalent of a check engine light. So now if we go back and check the code reader, I'm gonna stop this video here while I'm gonna walk out so you can hear the misfire through the engine. If we go up front, you can hear that it's running on 6, maybe 8 cylinders. According to the mechanic, it was missing the entire right bank of the car. So if we go around the back of the car here, you can see, or you can hear, that it's not quite right. Now I've got hot air coming out of here and warm at best air coming out of here. So it does seem like it's missing a couple cylinders on the right-hand bank. I'm going to grab another phone with my code reader so that we can see exactly what the code is that's coming up. It's something to the effect of misfire in cylinders 1 and 2, which are on the passenger side bank. So we'll do that in just a second, and I will bring up another video.